record?
Yeah.
Moving 65 miles an hour to the north.
Tornadoes happening, guys. I'm scared. Oh, we died. Piper, I love
What's the
you.
outlook? Have they
I love
given
you.
a,
He's making me
as far as,
go.
like, throughout the night,
He
I
is
think
making me
it's
go,
gonna
and
end
I am
pretty much
scared.
everything to the last couple of storms.
I do not want to die.
Can you just see the
Scared
tornado?
that I might die. If we die, then I'm blaming my dad. I believe my dad died. Dad, I'm blaming you. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I had to stay quiet. That's why I'm quiet, not my normal energetic self. Because I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I was just checking in to let you know I was on the road. I was heading out that way. I wasn't, I'm not in the affected area as of yet.
Goodbye, McDonald's. Goodbye, stoplights. Goodbye, Chinese. Oh, I feel like make sure that you guys know that some language will be in this. So, sorry. How are people still working in tornado? Really? Look at the clouds. Oh, I should say one more thing. Goodbye, bushes. We have wonderful memories. My dies, I'm blaming my dad. What? I am not ready to die. How are people still shopping? What? How are they still shopping? How's closing? Guys, there's gonna be a tsunami in the pond. Tsunami pond. How are people still driving? They're driving like away from it while we're driving towards it. I am blaming my dad. Oh my goodness, so close. It looks like from a painting. This is gonna be in like a few parts. Some will be uploaded tomorrow. I think. So yeah, let's pause this. That looks like a face, but I don't know what face. Everyone, wait, no, it's a foot.
Chelsea now. Wow.
So we're going near Manchester and
No, we're not. We're gonna keep heading west.
Gonna die. The horses over there. Dad said there's like the edges of the storm, like over there, kind of, but that's not west. So wait, is that west or is that west? Dad, this is not up north. Wait. West is up there. I'm good. Oh, we're in the east then. Piper, how do you feel about this? Scared for your life? I know, me too. Oh my goodness. I like going to be recorded. First of all, it was happening joyful, but now it's scary. Oh jeez. But the truck is shaking, the truck is shaking. Oh my gosh. Who knew people things could be happening at horrible times? Oh no. So see you guys. Bye. Oh, it's going over the limit. Yay. I have no idea what's going to happen. So, Siggy Rainbow for part 2.